Hello everyone. Today, I made this Black Forest YummyPair birthday cake for celebrating YummyPair's birthday. Let's start this preparation with each step-by-step process. At first, I take out 1/3 cup or 80 gram of curd. Then, mix it with a blender. After then, I added 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of condensed milk, 250 gram of dust sugar or sugar powder with it, and mix it properly with a hand blender. After then, I added half cup or 125 milliliters of melted butter with it and mixed it well. After then, I added 1 1/4 cup or 330 gram of Maida, half cup or 125 gram cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon or 5 gram of baking powder, baking soda 1 teaspoon, and stirring it. And after then mix it well. Now, I add half cup or 125 gram of milk with it. And mix it well. Now, I add remaining dust sugar or sugar powder with it. And mix it properly. After then, I add 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of vanilla essence with it, and mix it with a blender. When all ingredients are mixed properly, then I put this mixer into a mold. Here, I show you how to make a delicious eggless Black Forest birthday cake without an oven. So, I take a pot and add some normal or regular salt and leave it for 10 minutes preheating. Then, place the mold into the proper place and cover it for 50 minutes baking. After 50 minutes you put a toothpick into the cake and check it whether it's properly baked or not. If some mixes stick with this toothpick, then you cover it for a few minutes for baking the remaining part of this cake. Now, I take 200 gram of whipped cream and chocolate sauce and mixed it with blender for few minutes. After then, I added some cocoa powder for some color and flavor. Now, I carefully cut into the 2 layers and place it on the board. Now, add chocolate sauce with some sugar syrup and brush it on the cake. Now, put some whipped cream on the cake. After then, placed another slice of the cake on the board. But, during this time, I made a mistake. The upper layer of the cake fall from my hand, and it break into the 2 pieces. I am very upset about it. Sorry, friend, please don't mind it. Now, put some whipped cream on the cake, and level it properly. Now, I take 100 gram premium dark chocolate bar, and cut it into the small pieces. And, again I take 60 gram normal chocolate or milky bar, and cut it into the small pieces. Then, I add 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters milk, and 1 teaspoon or 5 gram of butter with it, and melted it into the oven. Now, I carefully add sliced dark chocolate on the side of the cake. After then, I decorate it with a whipped cream. And finally, I add melted chocolate on the top of the cake. And add some choco chips on the cake. Now, our YummyPair birthday cake ready to serve. If you like our recipes, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to leave your suggestion and comment in the comment section below. You can also hit the subscribe button to get these types of recipes. And don't forget to share these recipes to your loved one. Thanks for watching this video.